started off with two children simply curious to their surroundings and the world they were surrounded by. Brought up by the wisest man of all, their father, Atticus Finch. While using courage and bravery, Atticus Finch stood up for his own beliefs while going up against his own community. He stood up for a black man. The separation amongst white and black people was so defined back in the children's hometown, Macomb County. Lessons are taught by the school, the neighbors, the police, and the Negroes, who teach Atticus's kids, Scout and Jem, the rights and wrongs of race. Come experience the life of Scout under the influence of her older brother Jem and her little love for a boy named Dill. Put yourself in Jem's place, a boy whose father is standing up for something he's never done before, at his school life and at home. Come see To Kill a Mockingbird, written by Harper Lee, produced by Tula Maraska, this weekend in your theaters somewhere near you.